Hi everybody, it's Steffi, the Superfood Goddess. Welcome to my channel. I just want to thank you for subscribing and stopping by and checking me out. I've been wanting to do this for almost 3 years now. And do you want to know the thing that has been stopping me? The tech. I'm just so afraid of not being able to edit correctly and whatnot. And I finally just said, girl, just go ahead and do it, okay? Who cares? So here I am. Let's see what happens. You can come here for positivity and encouragement. I will be doing reviews on brands, and then I'll also have some how-tos, like how-to videos on cooking, because I love cooking. And nothing makes me more excited than being able to veganize or make a plant-based version of some of our favorite and most loved foods. For example, pizza and macaroni and cheese. I know that it's hard when you're doing a transition and you're trying to get healthier. You know, you're trying to figure out what you can have or what you can substitute. And although I think in the long run, we should be eating as close to the whole food as possible. You know, like instead of buying applesauce, eating an apple and maybe putting a little cinnamon on it or something. But it takes time to get to that point. And so I think the first step is just being able to switch dairy for non-dairy products, meat for non-meat products. So, you know, just going easy and making it a nice transition like that. So yeah, you'll be able to find some really yummy recipes here. And again, product reviews. Please don't ever hesitate to message me. It warms my heart hearing from you guys. So I hope we can be friends and hang out via internet. And I hope you are all having an amazing day. And please know that my love in me honors and recognizes the love in you. And if there's a will, there's a way, and we can be healthy together. Have a beautiful day, loves.